Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix blooming. Blooming happens when there's temperature differences, so if you go from hot to cold or cold to hot. This also happens if you don't melt your chocolate properly, so if you overheat your chocolate, the chocolate loses its shine. I think what happened here is that I placed my Cakepops in the fridge right after dipping, and that made the chocolate bloom. I'm going to show you a quick way to fix it, but just always melt your chocolate in small intervals so you don't overheat it. This is how my chocolate looked. It looked gray, it lost its shine. So I'm going to be using a small torch and kind of remelt the chocolate that's over it. This is going to bring your chocolate back to life, but it's better if we just avoid the problem by melting correctly. I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how to melt chocolate properly, so stay tuned for that. But this is how the cake pop turned out. It's not as shiny as I would like it, but it was much better than how it looked. It was a little briefcase for a Boss Baby theme party, and you guys can check out the full tutorial on my page. See you guys on the next one.